In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the rating field in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a rating field to your table, set the right scale, and use it to quickly score, review, or prioritize your records. First, head to Airtable in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want to work. A base is your overall project, and a table is where your related records live, like tasks, products, or content ideas. Now, you'll either add a new field or edit an existing one. If you're adding a new field, create it where you want it to sit in your table. If you're updating a field you already have, open its settings so you can change the field type. Either way, the next step is the same. Choose Rating as the field type. This converts the field into a simple, visual scale built around stars. It's great when you want a quick sense of quality, urgency, or preference without writing a paragraph for each record. With rating selected, set the maximum rating value if needed. Many teams stick with 5 stars because it's familiar and easy to interpret. However, you might prefer a 3-star scale for quicker yes, maybe, no decisions, or a higher maximum if you need more nuance. The key is to pick a scale that matches how precise you want your evaluations to be. If multiple people will rate items, agree on what each star level means so your scores stay consistent. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Field or Save to apply your changes. Your new rating column will appear in the table, ready to use. To assign a rating, click any cell in the rating field. Then select the number of stars that best reflects your assessment. The stars you choose will light up, and you can always change your mind later by clicking again and adjusting the count. Keep your criteria steady as you go, so ratings remain meaningful across all records. Finally, use your ratings to score, review, or prioritize records. For example, you might rate tasks by impact, content ideas by quality, or customer feedback by satisfaction level. Ratings make it easier to scan a list and spot what deserves attention first. They also help teams communicate quickly. One glance at a row tells everyone how strong or urgent that item is. That's all you need to get started with the rating field in Airtable. Open your base, add or edit a field, select Rating, set the maximum value, save, and then click cells to assign stars. Keep your scale clear, be consistent, and let those ratings guide smarter, faster decisions.